going to be reacting to Angry Grandpa Destroys Kitchen, and my friend Lightning Ball told me to react to this. Without further ado, let's go.
Good job. Come on, man. Take a blow. There you go. This don't look like it's level to me.
It's
Who cares?
It's level now.
It looks good, right? Yeah. This does look good,
Yeah,
dude.
it's pretty good.
Yeah, it's good.
I can be the pot man. Hey, you the pot man.
Yeah,
This looks good.
it's good.
I'll admit, I didn't think a pot rack was going to look good in the kitchen. It transforms. Yeah. I put like 2 different lights. Oh, yeah. Looks good, huh? It looks very good. And the paint. All right, now, the only thing we got left now, we got to get a refrigerator. We'll get the refrigerator later. So we done all this. We get the refrigerator today. You can't just randomly get a fridge. We got other stuff to do. Where do you want to go get it from? You got to do the yard. You got plenty. I want to do the refrigerator today. You'll get the refrigerator when you get the refrigerator.
What is wrong with that one?
What's wrong with it? Look at it.
Let's
Look at it.
the fuck.
Look at it. That's what's wrong with it. What's wrong with it? Yeah, that's what's wrong with the damn thing. It's broke. Now, let's go get a refrigerator. Charlie, would you come pick some of this shit up, dude? Yeah.
God damn it, Charles. Charles, calm down. Charles Green, calm down. Fucking hell. Or Angry Grandpa.
Charlie, can you help me? We gotta put these shelves back up, dude. I'll see if we can get a refrigerator today.
You're not kidding.
What is that?
What the fuck?
Oh my god! Jesus Christ!
Holy crap. Oh my god.
Can I get a refrigerator now? No, you cannot!
She's just been destroying more, man.
I'm calling the police. I'm gonna call the police on you!
Call the police.
For that! Christ, Dad!
Man, we just fucking got everything.
That don't work at all. The refrigerator! You're not getting it! I'm leaving, dude. I'm out of here. Now guess what you do? Now you can have a goddamn clue. Don't stop! Jesus Christ! Stop it!
Oh shit.
Dude, it's time to stop! It ain't breaking, now stop it!
Oh.
Christ, Dad!
Oh my god.
Now I need soap. Now I need both. Let's go.
I don't think so.
That is just fucking fucked up.
I know.
Hey, fuck.
Oh.
Christ, I'm sick of it!
Jesus Christ. Oh. What a fart. Oh.
What the fuck is your problem?
I know. Oh
What
god.
are you doing? I need a stove! I need a refrigerator! Let's go!
Jeez.
Now! Guys, I'm tired of this!
Run. It's a fucking psycho, run.
So what am I gonna do now?
It's his fault.
Well, you're not getting it! I don't know what you're gonna do, but you're not getting it! I'm leaving. We gotta go, Bridget. We gotta go. Get out.
You're so ungrateful.
Let's go, Bridget. Yeah! Don't do anything
You're so
stupid!
ungrateful.
Give me a call. You think I still been doing it.
I don't think so.
We're not getting you anything.
You're not getting shit, dude. You're
Thank you.
ungrateful. You're selfish.
Thank you.
You're not getting shit. So. Dude, seriously, let's go.
I gotta see what he.
Wow. Ooh. Yeah, I don't think if I'll be seeing that. Anyways, yeah, friends, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. If you did, make sure to subscribe to Angry Grandpa Show, and if you want me to do any more reactions, just tell me in the comment sections below. And as always, see ya.